You know, the wireless networks might be crowded in here. You might get a lot of interference.
Just because I really love you. Just because I really love you, baby. Just because I really love you. Just because.
Are you good? Okay, so listen, I'm at the Sennheiser booth right now, checking out their latest headphones. This is the HD A20. This is the new headphone. I think it won an award, did it not?
It's won quite a few awards.
Quite a few awards. HD A20. This is sort of the latest incarnation of this headphone. This is the 800S, but now it's a closed back design. So I'm gonna listen to these two and kind of see the differences, but I'm gonna start out on the S. All right, yeah, here we go. This is the right kind of partner. And this is the HDV A20. This is gonna give you the right kind of juice to feed into a headphone of this caliber. You know what's crazy about these headphones is how light they are. The intention there is like extended at-home listening sessions. Oh, I find these to be more comfortable. I think I'll take this one instead of that one. Yeah. It's not exactly more bass. Maybe it's just, to me, it's just a little more full. I don't know. They're gonna coexist. It's not like this replaces that one.
Either one's better.
Yeah,
They're
right.
different.
Right. That's a different level right there. Is that the coolest looking headphone you've ever seen in your entire life? Probably, possibly. I think so. That's Gorilla Glass right there. And this is a sealed off, closed back version of the legendary HD 800, in this case, the 800S. This was an open back design. I mean, that has its attributes to it, right? It gives you that wide sound stage. An alteration in this case, the closed back, some thicker type of bass feeling to it. I have to say, for me, for my ears, I'll take this over this. There's two options here to suit different people's tastes in music. I find this a little bit more comfortable. It's a little bit more shallow, and it's a single material there. That's a deeper cushion. Your ear fits in there really nice, but they're not heavy. That's the craziest part. This is probably the most exciting thing I've seen here at CES for now. Okay, so this is a sort of like an impromptu giveaway scenario. A bunch of extra headphones here for you guys, I guess, for whoever's here, whoever can get here fast enough. We have PXC 550 wireless. You want a little bit more style, you got the HD1, the Momentum. There's a code word. I've tweeted this out, and now we're gonna wait to see how quickly people arrive. All right, we're gonna upgrade some headphones today. Say it out loud, what's the code word?
Jack.
PXC 550 or the HD1?
What's more expensive?
HD1.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. All right. What's up? Yeah, go for it. Enjoy, man.
My name's Jack.
Yeah.
Done.
So
Easy, right? Yeah. Cool.
I love you guys.
Okay, cool. But do you know the code word though?
Jack.
Jack?
Okay.
Oh!
All right.
Oh.
That was quick. Look at this. A lot of people just got nicer headphones. They can enjoy music more. Who knows where this is gonna go, all right? They're less miserable with their lives now because of the headphones, all right? That's what we're doing. We're out here helping people, all right? This episode of Unbox Therapy has been brought to you by Massdrop, and more specifically, the new HD 58X from Sennheiser and Massdrop in collaboration. That's the only place you can get this headphone. If you're unfamiliar with this series of headphones, you are looking at an open back design, so you get that really wide sound stage. This one comes in this jet black sort of colorway. You can see the Sennheiser on the top right there, and the metal grills on the side. This is a very lightweight headphone, and it's also the most affordable in the range. This is only $150 through this particular drop. Now, often the trouble with a pair of premium headphones like this is that they're difficult to drive. That means you have to plug them into an amplifier or some sort of stationary setup to get the most out of them. This particular unit is meant to be easy to drive, so you can do so with a device like this, with a smartphone. Got the velour pads completely around the ear. Because it is an open back design, there's not the same sense of isolation. For people who are just getting into headphones, I always tell them, you know, you got to try out some open back headphones. It's a totally different experience. All right, so it's a new look on the Classic. They sound great. It's open back. It's audiophile quality without the audiophile price. 150 bucks, but in limited quantities. I believe there's only going to be 5,000 of these, so if you're interested, click the link down in the description. Thanks to Massdrop for sponsoring this episode.